The abs wheel is one of the few exercises that actually really tears up the deep abdominal muscle fibers in a good way, that transverse abdominis underneath your superficial big six-pack muscles. Very important for stabilizing the spine, and because of the slow eccentric nature of this, it really stretches and strengthens that area. So it'll bulletproof your back, and it'll also really carve out those abs in a real nice way. Now, if you're new to it, squeeze a ball between your legs to increase pelvic floor activation and improve lower back positioning. You only go as far as you can, keeping the arms straight and preventing the excessive hyperextension of the low back, and you can make it even harder by elevating the knees to increase the range of motion, one of my favorite options. And again, you can see how much shoulder mobility you're getting with this. Make it harder with the same weight, your body weight, by doing 1.5 reps or pulsing reps where you kind of stay out in the end range or stretch position, increasing time under tension in the more challenging phase of the exercise. And again, you want to take at least 3 to 5 seconds to go out. Now, whether you go with a weight vest or just your body weight only, you can go eccentric only, 3 to 5 seconds out, coming to the belly, and then just resetting off the knees. That's a nice way to kind of bridge the gap. Or if you want to add a weight vest, you can start building up that strength in a super maximal way beyond your body weight. Another great option that anyone can do is a TRX or ring fallout. Same concepts apply. Tight glutes, maintain that good tight plank position. You can use sliders as well, which kind of train the arms independently, and the surface can make that easier or harder based on whether it's carpet or rubber floor. And here's a bodyweight option: plank walkbacks and also push-up walkouts. Not as good, but it will work. If you thought regular abs wheel rollouts were tough, wait until you try the band-resisted option. So you got to anchor the band and loop it around one of the handles. And what this does, it provides additional resistance as you pull the wheel back to the starting position to really get an insane lat and core contraction that'll blow your mind. Still maintain a very good slow eccentric phase rolling out, and try to keep as much tension in the band even at full extension. A final variation that I absolutely love involves adding some lateral motion to get into those obliques, or those love handles. Now, you can't spot reduce, but combined with a diet rich in protein and produce, and doing full body workouts at least 3 times a week, plus these dedicated core intensive exercises, you will carve up an incredible core and get that six-pack going. Notice how I really go to as far to one side as possible to get that stretch. Same 3 to 5 second eccentric on the way out, and hitting both sides as best you can. Enjoy.